A decrease in hemoglobin level refers to a condition in which the amount of hemoglobin in the blood is lower than normal. Hemoglobin is a protein in the blood that carries oxygen from the lungs to the body's tissues, and a decrease in hemoglobin can result in a reduced ability to deliver oxygen to the body's tissues. Hello and welcome to our channel where we discuss health and wellness. Our channel is for educational and knowledge purpose, and we are not intended to replace the diagnosis of a doctor or healthcare professions. Subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. In this video, we will discuss natural ways to increase hemoglobin levels. So let's get started. Consuming iron-rich foods is an important way to increase hemoglobin levels. Iron is an essential mineral that is required for the production of hemoglobin, which is the protein that carries oxygen in the blood. Foods that are high in iron include 1. Red meat. Seafood. 3. Beans and lentils. 4. Leafy green vegetables. 5. Iron-fortified cereals and breads. It's important to note that there are two types of dietary iron: heme iron, which is found in animal products, and non-heme iron, which is found in plant-based foods. Heme iron is more easily absorbed by the body, so if you are trying to increase your iron intake, it's a good idea to include some animal-based sources of iron in your diet. To maximize the absorption of non-heme iron, it's also a good idea to consume foods that are high in vitamin C, such as citrus fruits, tomatoes, and peppers. Vitamin C plays an important role in the body's ability to absorb iron, which is essential for the production of hemoglobin. Iron is required to make heme, the iron-containing component of hemoglobin that binds with oxygen in the lungs and transports it to the tissues throughout the body. Vitamin C helps increase the absorption of non-heme iron, which is the form of iron found in plant-based foods such as beans, lentils, and leafy greens. Non-heme iron is not as easily absorbed by the body as heme iron, which is found in animal products like meat and seafood. However, consuming foods that are high in vitamin C alongside non-heme iron-rich foods can significantly increase the absorption of iron. When vitamin C is consumed along with non-heme iron, it forms a compound that is more easily absorbed by the body. This can help increase the amount of iron that is available to produce hemoglobin, which in turn can help increase hemoglobin levels. Some vitamin C-rich foods that can help increase hemoglobin levels include 1. Citrus fruits, such as oranges, grapefruits, and lemons. 2. Kiwi fruit. 3. Berries, such as strawberries, raspberries, and blueberries. 4. Melons, such as cantaloupe and watermelon. 5. Papaya. 6. Mango. 7. Pineapple. 8. Tomatoes. 9. Bell peppers. It's important to note that vitamin C cannot increase hemoglobin levels on its own, but rather it works in conjunction with iron to help increase hemoglobin production. Folic acid, also known as folate, is a B vitamin that plays an important role in the production of red blood cells, which contain hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is the protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen throughout the body. Folic acid is essential for the production of new red blood cells, and a deficiency in folic acid can lead to a type of anemia called megaloblastic anemia. This type of anemia occurs when the body produces red blood cells that are larger than normal and contain less hemoglobin than they should. This results in fewer healthy red blood cells to carry oxygen to the body's tissues, which can lead to fatigue, weakness, and shortness of breath. By increasing folic acid intake, the body is better able to produce healthy red blood cells, which in turn can increase hemoglobin levels. Folic acid is especially important during periods of rapid growth, such as pregnancy and infancy, when the body is producing large numbers of new red blood cells. Some foods that are high in folic acid include 1. Leafy green vegetables, such as spinach, kale, and collard greens. 2. Citrus fruits, such as oranges and grapefruits. 3. Beans and lentils. 4. Avocado. 5. Asparagus. 6. Broccoli. 7. Brussels sprouts. 8. Fortified cereals and breads. It's important to note that folic acid works in conjunction with other vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin B12 and iron, to produce healthy red blood cells. Therefore, it's important to consume a well-balanced diet that includes a variety of foods rich in these nutrients in order to increase hemoglobin levels. Staying hydrated is important for maintaining good health in many ways, including for the production of hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is made up of proteins and iron, and water is essential for the proper function of both of these components. When the body is dehydrated, it can lead to a decrease in blood volume, which can cause the blood to become thicker and more viscous. This can make it more difficult for the blood to flow through the small blood vessels in the body, which can in turn reduce the amount of oxygen that is delivered to the body's tissues. By staying hydrated, the body is better able to produce healthy red blood cells, which contain hemoglobin. The water in the body helps to maintain the proper volume and viscosity of the blood, which helps to ensure that oxygen is delivered to the body's tissues efficiently. In addition to drinking water, consuming fluids that contain electrolytes, such as sports drinks or coconut water, can also help maintain hydration levels and support the production of hemoglobin. Regular exercise can help increase hemoglobin levels by stimulating the production of red blood cells. When the body is subjected to physical activity, it responds by increasing the production of red blood cells to deliver oxygen to the body's tissues more efficiently. Regular exercise can also help improve circulation, which can help deliver oxygen to the body's tissues more effectively. This can help increase the production of hemoglobin, as the body requires more oxygen to produce new red blood cells. In addition, exercise can help improve the absorption of nutrients that are important for hemoglobin production, such as iron, folate, and vitamin B12. When the body is in a state of physical activity, it is better able to absorb these nutrients from the foods that we eat. Getting enough sleep is important for overall health, including the production of hemoglobin. During sleep, the body undergoes a process of tissue repair and regeneration, which includes the production of new red blood cells. Research has shown that sleep deprivation can lead to a decrease in the production of red blood cells, which can result in a decrease in hemoglobin levels. This is because sleep is important for the body's natural production of erythropoietin, a hormone that stimulates the production of red blood cells. In addition, sleep is important for the body's immune function, which is also important for the production of hemoglobin. When the body is in a state of sleep deprivation, the immune system can become compromised, which can lead to inflammation and other factors that can affect the production of red blood cells. Quitting sleep, or intentionally depriving oneself of sleep, is not a recommended way to increase hemoglobin levels. In fact, sleep deprivation can lead to a decrease in the production of red blood cells and can result in a decrease in hemoglobin levels, as I mentioned in my previous response. Chronic sleep deprivation can also have negative effects on the body, such as increased stress, impaired cognitive function, and weakened immune function, which can further impact the production of hemoglobin. It's important to prioritize getting enough sleep, which is typically 7 to 9 hours per night for adults, to support overall health and the production of hemoglobin. So, there you have it, natural ways to increase hemoglobin levels. Incorporating these lifestyle changes in your daily routine can help you maintain healthy hemoglobin levels. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video informative.